Good morning and Jai Hind. Centrifugal pump, the simplest form of pump, right? And most widely used pump for the good reasons. Operation and maintenance is vital because though we have selected the most suiting pump with very less maintenance and very simple operation, but we certainly know at least the underpinning aspects on operation and maintenance of the centrifugal pump. Today, to start with, let's talk a little on the operational aspects from underpinning knowledge perspective. Operation of centrifugal pump. Let me read out first. Priming is the very first step to remove air from the suction and casing of the pump, right? Why it is necessary to remove air? अगर उसमें से हम एयर नहीं निकालते हैं पंप के केसिंग और सक्शन में से, तो क्यों पानी नहीं पकड़ता है पंप? You need to know it or not as an engineer. Though this activity of priming is done by your operator, और आपने ये एक्टिविटी होते हुए देखी भी होगी कि he first primes the pump and open a small valve which is fitted on the casing of pump, which removes the interrupted air. ये एक्टिविटी आपने देखी होगी in the pump house. But why he is doing so? You need to know. If yes, we will certainly talk on. Then the next and final point for today is primed pump is put on and the discharge valve is now gradually opened. ये भी एक्टिविटी शायद आपने कभी देखी होगी अपने पंप हाउस में, being done by your operator. But why he opens this discharge valve gradually? What is the reason? और वो कब तक gradually खोलता है? Till it attains the rated flow. जो पंप का rated flow है, जब तक वो अटेंड नहीं हो जाता तब तक वो ग्रेजुअली खोलता रहता है डिस्चार्ज वाल्व को. सो दिस एक्टिविटी इज डन बाय योर ऑपरेटर, बट डू यू नो हाउ ही मेजर्स whether the rated flow has been attained? By a flow meter? No, not by flow meter. Probably आपने ये चीजें भी ऑब्जर्व की होंगी whenever you make I'll say not simply visits but meaningful visits. तो उस टाइम आपने ये चीजें ऑब्जर्व की होंगी. तो certainly he doesn't measure the rated flow by looking at the flow meter, क्योंकि flow meter लगा ही नहीं होता है, for some good reasons again. So how do you measure whether rated flow has been attained? And there is no more requirement of fully opening the discharge valve, or to say further opening the discharge valve, because it will have its own consequences if your operator keeps it opening till he can. Then it is a calculative activity. Actually, it's not just that he keeps open gradually till he can open means till the full wall is opened. You will see the consequences if it's not known why and up to what extent he has to open the wall. तो इन्हीं चीज़ों पे हम नेक्स्ट सेशन में बात करेंगे अगेन थ्रू सिमिलर शॉर्ट वीडियो. थैंक यू. बाय बाय. Enjoy the day.